Okay, we're turning this rusty frame and axle and stuff into this clean looking frame and axle and leaf springs. I am using this Rust-Oleum undercoating paint rubberized black. I've already sanded this down, sprayed it. I've lost that footage, surprisingly. But I'm just going to show you how I'm painting it. Just pop the lid. I've already used 2 cans so far. I've bought 4. I've done the passenger front, the driver front, and the driver rear section, fender well area. I have not done the frame yet or the axles, but I'm just going to spray here. If you want to watch this, by all means, continue watching. If you want to skip ahead to when I have this done or later on in the video, feel free. But watch this at your own extent. It can be boring. But without ado, I'm going to get started. Too dark for glasses to be painting with black. As I said, it's rubberized black, so it's going to be kind of a thick paint. The frame is still a little wet, but I think it'll be okay. If you want, you can spray the fender well. This truck does not have fender well covers in the back, so instead of spending $60 to $80 on new fender liners for this truck, we're just gonna spend an extra couple dollars on some black paint to paint them. It's not too bad. You see, it's already starting to dry. Alright. Well, I'm on ahead and I'll start painting. Let me see if y'all can see. Now, let me see if I can move the camera around. Alright, I'm gonna continue to start spraying down the bed, or down the frame of this truck here. Let me get something laid down here for me to lay on. Alright, got me a tarp laid down here. About out of paint here. We're getting close to have to get another can. But I don't know if y'all be able to see this whole thing. I hope you can. But if you don't, just bear with me. And what I was afraid of, already out of my can. So, that's can number 3. That's can number 4. Check it out good. At least see the spot I've missed. Accidentally got a little on the door panel there. But yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'll do the other side here. Actually, hang on. Let's just do let's do the other side real quick. I'll pause the video. It's just I'm gonna be doing that. You've already watched it once. No sense in you watching it again. When I come back, we'll work on doing the axle if I got enough paint left over. Alright, we're back. Still got a little paint left over, so we're just gonna hurry throw a quick coat over the axle here. Really get that